factors and multiples. Today, let us do the first exercise of chapter 3. Okay? First question is, write all the factors of the given numbers. First question A, 24. The question is, find all the factors of 24. So, how we can find the factors? 24 can be written as 1 into 24, isn't it? From this we can say that 1 is a factor of every number, and we studied in the previous class. 1 is a factor of every number, and the given number is a factor of itself, isn't it? So 24 equal to 1 into 24. It can also be written as 2 into 12 equal to 3 into 8, 4 into 6. 24 can be written in these 4 ways, these multiples, isn't it? 24 equal to 1 into 24, 2 into 24, 12, 3 into 8, 4 into 6 equal to 6 into 4. Again we can write 24 equal to 6 into 4. We write this as 4 into 6. According to commutative property, 6 into 4 is same as 4 into 6. So these are the possibilities. Okay. So from here we can say that the factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. These are the factors. We can write factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. Okay. This is the first question to find the factor. Okay. The second question is, find all the factors of 15. As above, we can write 15 as 15, 1 into 15 equal to 2 is not a exact divisor of 15, isn't it? So, next number go to 3, 3 into 5. These two are the possible ways to express this as a product of two numbers. No other factors, no other possibilities are here. 1 into 15, 3 into 5, 5 into 3, 5 into 3 is same as 3 into 5. So, these two are the possible ways of representing 15 as a product of two numbers. Okay, so from this, the factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5 and 15. The factors of 15 are, what are the factors? 1, 3, 5 and 15. Okay. In this way we can find the factors of a given number. Okay. There are 9 questions, 9 numbers to find the factors. We already done 2 of them. All other 7 questions you should do as common. Next question. The second question of exercise 3 is, find the first 5 multiples of 5. Find the question is, find the first 5 multiples of 5. First 5 multiples. First 5 multiples are obtained by multiplying the given number with 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So, first 5 multiples of 5 are, first 5 multiples of 5 are, what are the first 5 multiples? Multiply the given number. Given number is 5 with 1 to 5. That is 5 into 1, 5 into 2, 5 into 3, 5 into 4 and 5 into 5. That is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Okay, these are the first 5 multiples of 5. The next one, find the first 5 multiples of 8. What are the first 5 multiples of 8? How we obtain? It is obtained by multiplying the given number with 1 to 5. That is, given number is 8. So, first 5 multiples are, first 5 multiples of 8 are 8 into 1, 8 into 2, 8 into 3, 8 into 4 and 8 into 5, which is equal to 8, 16, 24, 32 and 40. These are the first 5 multiples of 8. Okay. The third question is match the following. Here 2 columns are given. In first column some numbers are given and in second column some statements, multiples and factors of some statements are given. Match the following. Okay, match these column 1 and column 2. First number is 35. Look here, multiple of 8. What are the multiples of 8? 8. Multiplication table of 8. Multiples of 8. What are the multiples of 8? 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, etc. These are the multiples of 8. So, 35, which is not a multiple of 8. Then, multiple of 7. What are the multiples of 7? 7 into 1, 7 into 2, 7 into 3, 7 into 4. So, these numbers are 7, 14, 21, 28, 35. So, 35 is a multiple of 7. The next one, 15. 15. Is it a multiple of 8? No. A multiples of 8 are 8, 16. So, not a multiple of 8. Then, factor of 17. 15. Is 15 a factor of 17? No. Factor of 30. What are the factors of 30? Factors of 30. 30 equal to 1 into 30 equal to 2 into 15. So, factors of 30 are 1, 2, 15, 30. Can also be written 3 into 10. So, 1, 2, 3, 10, 15, 30 are the factors. Therefore, 15 is a factor of 30. Then 16. 16. Look here. First one, multiple of 8. Multiples of 8 are 8 into 1, 8 into 2, 8 into 3. That is the numbers. The numbers are 8, 16, 24. 8, 16. So, 16 is a multiple of 8. Then 20. 20. Factor of 70. Is 20 a factor of 70? 70 equal to, we cannot write 70 as 20 into a number. That is 20 is not an exact divisor of 70. 20 divided by 70 divided by 20, 3 times 60, the remainder is 10. Therefore, 20 is not an exact divisor of 70. So, come to the next one, factor of 50. Is 20 an exact divisor of 50? 50 divided by 20, 2 times 40, the remainder is 10. So, 20 is not the exact divisor, so it is not a factor. Then, factor of 20. 20 is a factor of 20. We studied every number is a factor of itself. Therefore, 20 is a factor of 20. Then 25. 25. Factor of 50. 50 divided by 25. 2 times 50. The remainder is 0. We get the remainder 0. So 25 is an exact divisor of 50. Therefore 25 is a factor. Okay. The next topic is even and odd numbers. You studied about even and odd numbers. Okay. Can you say what is an even number? An even number, a number which is exactly divisible by 2 is called an even number. A number which is exactly divisible by 2 is an even number. Say some examples for even numbers. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. These are the multiples of 2. Isn't it? These are the even numbers. 2, 4. These numbers are exact divisor of 2. These can be, these numbers are exactly, these numbers can be divided exactly by 2. That is 2 divided by 2. The remainder is 0. 4 divided by 2. The remainder is 0. 6 divided by 2. The remainder is 0. That is, these numbers are the exact divisor of 2. Therefore, these numbers are called the even numbers. Which is not exactly divisible. The numbers which are not exactly divisible by 2 are called odd numbers. Say some odd numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, etc. These are odd numbers. We cannot divide these numbers exactly by 2. We can divide by 2, but not exactly. 3 divided by 2. 1 time 2, the remainder is 1. 0.0, here 5, 10. So, we can divide by 2, 3 by 2, but we cannot divide exactly by 2. Isn't it? 3 divided by 2. We get the remainder as 1. Isn't it? So, these are called the odd numbers. Okay? So, what are even and odd numbers? A number which is exactly divisible by 2 is an even number. A number which is not exactly divisible by 2 is an odd number. Okay? Say some examples for even numbers. 2, 4, 6, 8, etc. are even numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7, etc. are odd numbers. Okay. Next topic is prime and composite numbers. What is a prime number? The number other than 1 or greater than 1 which has only factors 1 and the number itself is called a prime number. A number other than 1 whose factors are 1 and the number itself is called a prime number. Okay? Say for example 5. What are the factors of 5? How we find the factors? 5 equal to 1 into 5. No other possibilities to write 5 as a product of two numbers. 5 equal to 1 into 5. So, the factors of 5 are 1 and 5 are the factors. Here the factors are 1 and the number itself. It has no other factors except 1 and the number. So, this is a prime number. Say 6. What are the factors of 6? 6 equal to 1 into 6. It can also be written as 2 into 3. Isn't it? So, the factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, 6. The factors of 6 has the factors other than 1 and the number. 2 and 3 also included in the factors. Okay, so this number is called a composite number. This type of number is called a prime numbers. Okay. One more. What is a prime number? A number greater than 1 whose factors are 1 and the number itself is called a prime number. A composite, a number is said to be composite if it has factors other than 1 and the number. It has at least one factor. If it has at least one factor other than 1 and the number. Such numbers are called composite numbers. Thus I conclude the class, today's class here.